Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Aline and here we share with you tips about food, places to go, things to eat and drink around Ontario and beyond. And today is just a vlog of us going to Costco and do our monthly shop. So I hope you like this kind of video. I'm gonna show you all my Costco finds, so let's go. First thing I want to show you, we never saw this before, but it's super fun. This is a Pac-Man game, arcade with 14 games. So they have it here for you to play and see how it works. With Pac-Man, here's the price, $879. It's a nice deal and it's super big. Still talking about games, they also have here Nintendo Switch 2, so you just need to grab one of these and bring to the cashier and then you can grab your game. This one comes with the Mario Kart World and this one with Pokemon. So we usually skip all these parts with kitchen stuff like electronic products, TVs and construction things because we usually don't need it. But today I'm stopping here to buy this 3-pack of boxes, big boxes. I showed you before, I believe. There's 3 lids and then 3 boxes there. We are still organizing our new home, so this is super useful. Look how big it is. So I met Guy, gave him the box, and now I'm here on the beverage aisle. So I'm gonna show you some beers that we buy here and also wines. First time that I see Guinness here, and Guy already grabbed a pack of Guinness. So it's 8 cans drawn, which is good. It feels like it's from the tap, but it's in a can. Sometimes we also buy this venture pack from Muskoka. This one always, Flying Monkeys Juicy Ass, our favorite IPA. So it's here, so 24 cans is $63, and for the Muskoka it's $43.99, but this is 355 milliliters, and this one is a tall can for $7.3. If you don't drink alcohol on this side, also you can find some options with no alcohol. The Heineken is pretty good, Corona is also pretty good. And moving on, here we have the wines on this side too. Creamore Lager, I think it's the first time that I see here just the lager for $41.99. 24 cans, but it's not the tall one. Another thing that I saw today is the Corona in a bottle and also Stella in a bottle. So this is the price. Oh, the Stella is here. 28 bottles, $51. We are not bringing wine today just because we bought some on the LCBO close to our home, but you can find anything here from champagne, from other kinds of sparkling wine from France, New Zealand, Italy, a lot of wines from Ontario as well, in a bottle, in a box. We have here the Gretzky wine, a lot of different vineyards in Skilling that I love. So there's tons of options now since they start selling wines here at Costco. It's just getting better and with more variety. I showed you on my Instagram page that I bought an advent calendar of wines from Ontario, and now they have one here from France. I think it's all bubbling, like sparkling wine. Here they have a sample of all the wines inside of the calendar. So it's 24 options for you if you're not familiar with advent calendar. So each day of December from 1st to 24, you open one of these holes here and then you got a prize. So there's chocolate, wine, a lot of different kinds, and this one is for wine. I met Guy on the way, so he grabbed his bread, which is this one, Dempster's 12 grains, and also he also got our garlic bread, which is this brand here. It's the best one. So we like to eat this like in breakfast with eggs, or if you're having a barbecue, or sometimes I put some cheese on top and put on the oven, so it's really good. Going here on the middle, I noticed that we have a new flavor for muffin, so almond poppy. with butter. So it's this one here. They also have the traditional blueberry and there the chocolate. On this side here, I also think is a new flavor. Let's check. Cranberry orange. I love this muffin. It's delicious, but it's too much for us, so we don't buy often. On this side here, I think this is pumpkin pie. Yes, so we still have pumpkin pies at this location. Moving here to the meat side, I just found this tray with hamburgers, the first time that I see, so I want to bring one to try. We also tried this salmon before. It's really good. I believe it has rice inside, so Guy was the one trying it and he loved it. So we also tried this meatballs and it's really good. Definitely recommend. It's super easy to prep. And on this side you can find everything that they have ready to eat, or you just need to bake. Here's some salad, beef cannelloni. I think we tried this one, I'm not sure. Meat lasagna we bought a lot of times. It's super good. Just put on the oven for some minutes and it's ready. The cabbage roll Guy tried. It has rice inside too. It's a nice pick. I'm bringing one of these because I love it. I just put the shrimp on the air fryer for some minutes and you can prep your taco. Also good for parties. My parents, when they came, my dad loved this one. It's a shrimp cocktail, so you just need to put on the frying pan for some minutes and it's ready. We also tried the pizza. This is how everything looks like so far. So Guy grabbed a poke that he likes, quiche, broccoli. We got this bread, and also I got some mangoes from Brazil, so let's try. They look beautiful. I think they are still green. We usually grab some cheese around here, but we have cheese at home already. But I want to show you some kits that I found here. So this one is from Castello. Also a nice gift if you know someone that loves cheese. So it has 6 types of cheese, and there's this one from Costco, also with a lot of types of cheese. Good for a charcuterie board. If you're planning a party, you want to have a little bit of each kind of cheese. Is a nice pick. I will come back here to show these baskets, but they have a lot of options of basket for Christmas. So Guy already passed through here with all the fruits and vegetables. We usually don't buy a lot just because it comes a lot of quantity, so we usually buy in other grocery store, but today I bought the mango as I show you. And now I'm moving to this part of Costco to see what else they have. Sometimes we also buy this pasta here. This one with lobster is really good. This truffle ravioli is good too. So they have some fresh pasta on this side that I definitely recommend. Here they have my favorite spring roll. This one, it's really good. The last time we came, I bought this and it was a success in my Instagram. So I tried this one with blue cheese. I like it. And I tried this one. Let me try to find, yeah, this one with pickles. So it's all pickled. Onion, pickles and carrots with olives. So it's really good. This was my favorite. I still have to open the roasted pepper, orange, jalapeno and truffle. Super recommend. Also it's $17. And I also have this from last year, I believe. I think I have one left. It's super good too. You put this ball inside of your hot chocolate and it melts and it has different flavors. It's super good. This one is $16.99. I also saw last year this kit here. I never tried, but it looks good. So it has different kind of popcorn and then the seasoning. And all this side here, it's about Christmas gifts, chocolate, everything, decorations. So I'm gonna quickly show you everything that I found in case you are looking for Christmas stuff. We were talking about this on our way here to Costco. We need to buy lights for the new house. Christmas lights. So let me show you how many options they have. So this is probably to put on behind your TV, but they have a Christmas tree in lights. Look how nice, and you can change the color. They have these for outside. It's only $50. I think it's a nice price. They have this one for Christmas tree inside lights, $100. You can also change the colors. Oh, they have this micro lights. I have a lot of these at home. I like it. They have also this option, and I was impressed with this price, $249 for chocolate. So it's this huge pack from Lindt. Different kinds of chocolate, bears, packages. How giant! So I found Guy in the middle. He went to the frozen parts by himself, so I'm just showing what we got. This is delicious. We are having this at breakfast on weekends. It's really good. Also this sausage here, it's delicious. We served this. We had a small celebration for Guy's birthday just with us and a couple close friends, and they love this, so we are buying more. Also, this one is the first time that we are trying some egg bites. This is the sauce that we are buying currently. So this one, marinara, or olive oil. This is this one. And he asked me to show you this. We haven't tried this yet, but we love Burstein, and this is like something, some snacks with Burstein inside, so we are trying this one too. We also bought this before and we loved it. I'm not sure if we are buying this time, but it's really good. We try with pasta and also with the spaghetti squash, and it was really good. I'm also bringing this pasta to try, and of course we spent a lot of money to save on the hot dog, so it's $1.50 per hot dog, and Coke or any other pop that you want, and our poutine. So this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this kind of vlog of our day at Costco. So I showed you everything that we purchased, but also some Christmas decorations, everything they have now for Christmas. If you like this video, if it was helpful for you, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and see you in our next adventure. Ciao!